Hey guys, I'm trying to print a report on this printer. It's a Brother MFC-8710DW. MFC-8810 is also going to have the same kind of procedure and anything similar as the one you see here. So what we're going to do is on the control panel, just select menu, and then scroll down to 6, which is print reports, and hit OK. Then scroll down to 4, which is user settings, and you hit start, and that'll print the report. On the very last page, there's going to be 4 pages. On the last page is where you'll see all the life remainings on each part. So we're going to pull the last page, and that's what we have on this printer. It shows that the toner is low or out. The page count is right here on the right side. The total pages printed and everything else, and the parts life there.